Bonjour students. So in this video we are going to learn the negative expressions of French. Okay. Suppose someone asks you questions in affirmative, so how will you answer using negative expressions in French? So let's see, let's start. You see there's a table where first is affirmative, second is negative, and then the examples are given. So I'll explain you. You see there's a word quelque chose, meaning is something, and there's again one word tout, that means everything. So you have to keep in mind whenever in a sentence, in affirmative sentences, when the question is asked and using these words, so you always have to reply using the negative words of them. Like for quelque chose the negative is ne rien, for tout also the negative is ne rien only. Quelque chose means something and ne rien is nothing. So let's see the examples. Tu veux manger quelque chose? Do you want to eat something? Something has come, so you'll answer no, je ne veux rien manger. Okay, you have to keep in mind that this is a basic rule of French, that before ne and before the negative word you always use the main verb, you always use the verb, right? So that's why there's a space here. After ne there's a space, then rien has come, so means you have to put the verb in between. See the next example. Quelque chose se passe ici, something is going on here. Is something going on here? You answer rien ne se passe ici, nothing is going on here. Okay, here quelque chose is being used as a subject, so you will also reply using subject rien ne. Okay, next, quelqu'un, someone, or tout le monde, everyone, so you answer using ne personne, no one or nobody. Okay, this personne will use when it is asked as a subject. Let's see the examples. Il y a quelqu'un dans cette maison. Is there someone in this house? No. Il n'y a personne dans cette maison. No, there is no one in this house. Quelqu'un veut ces livres. Someone wants these books. Personne ne veut ces livres. No one wants these books. Okay. Like next is toujours. When toujours comes in affirmative sentences, in while asking questions, so you use ne jamais in the negative while answering. It means never. So, tu manges toujours dans ce restaurant? Do you eat always in this restaurant? No, je ne mange jamais dans ce restaurant. I eat never in this restaurant. Okay. Next is encore, means is still. So you answer with ne plus, ne verb plus, no more. Veut-il encore du gâteau? Does he still want some cake? No, il ne veut plus de gâteau. He wants no more cake. Okay. Next, déjà, already. Ne pas encore, we answer with ne pas encore, not yet. So, tu finis déjà tes devoirs? Have you finished already your homeworks? No, je ne finis pas encore mes devoirs. I have not yet finished my homeworks. Next is quelque part, somewhere, quelque part. So you answer ne, nulle part. In between the verb will come. So let's see the examples. Va-t-il quelque part en vacances? Is he going somewhere on vacation? So you answer no. He goes nowhere, or he is going nowhere on vacation. Now the last one is a. A means and simply. So how will you see? Let's see. While answering this type of questions, you always use ne. Then after verb will come, then ni, then the first noun will come, then ni, then second noun will come. Okay, let's see the examples. Means neither nor. Prefer-t-il le thé et le café? You see in this sentence, does he prefer tea and the cafe? It is a question is being asked. Okay, so you answer no. Il ne préfère. Prefer is a verb. So here after ne préfère verb has come. Then ni le thé, neither the tea nor the coffee. So simply you understand it. It's very easy. Next, tu manges du chocolat et du gâteau. Do you eat some chocolate and some cake? So you answer no. Je ne mange, after ne mange is a verb, so mange, ni chocolat, neither chocolate, ni gâteau, nor cake. Okay. So in this types of sentences you have to keep in mind one thing, that here in the question there is du is given before the noun. before Shokula and before Gato. So this du is your participative article, and you know the rules from the beginning when you have started studying French. After that you know the rule that the participative article will be removed when we answer in negative. Okay, so simply what we do, these participative articles we remove while answering in negative. Okay, so merci, thank you for watching this video. I hope everything is clear to you. The negative expressions you have understood very well. Now you have to do the exercises by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Merci and au revoir.